Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Versa 3 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch we need to press and hold the touch sensitive button right here on the side of our watch until the Fitbit logo appears on the screen. So to do it, simply press and hold on this touch sensitive button. It's not even a button, but basically it's touch sensitive, so if you press on it, it will work as a button. So keep holding this button, and you need to keep holding it for about, I would say, 10 seconds, basically until you see the Fitbit logo on the screen. And once you see the logo, you can then release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting, like now. And now we can wait until it's done booting up. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.